What's up, WolfPack? Are you in need of a pair of glasses? Let's check out the optical dispensary. Purchase your next pair of glasses from Madison College Optical Dispensary, located on the Truex campus in the Health Building, room 271. The dispensary is operated for the purpose of educating future optometric technicians in the techniques of eyewear selection, ordering, adjustment, and repair.
The optical dispensary is a practical part of the Madison College Eye Care Technician program. This one-year, two-semester technical diplomas program trains students to become optometric technicians, ophthalmic assistants, dispensing opticians, and contact lens technicians. Graduates roundly experience a 90% job placement within 6 months of graduation. Explore your bright future in eye care by following the program link in the descriptions below.
Bring your glass prescriptions from a licensed optometric or ophthalmologist, and we will help you get the perfect custom glasses and size for your eyes with the highest quality of materials. It usually takes up to 2 weeks to get your glasses after placing an order. We also do repairs and adjustments for students, faculty, and staff, alumni, and retirees for free. We have various styles of frames ranging from simple frames to designer frames of your choice. Frames and lenses are available for purchase at standard rates, with the prices clearly available during ordering. Optical dispensary services are available to current Madison College students, staff, and faculty, as well as alumni and retirees. At this time, we are not open to the general community. Is your future so bright? You gotta wear shades. If so, the optical dispensary has a wide variety of designer non-prescription glasses. Check them out: Ray-Ban, Nike West, Banana Public, and more. All available at a sustainable discount price. The optical dispensary requires appointments for service. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the video descriptions below for more information and helpful links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WolfPack wisdom.